Namo Namaha. Friends, you're expert now to make lot many sentences in Sanskrit. You also use them. Now we'll understand something more about forms of the sentence. Here is one form of the sentence, that is Balaha Patham Pathati. We'll understand some special aspects of this form. Balaha Patham Pathati. In this sentence, when we say Pathati, by the pronunciation of Pathati itself, we understand that this is third person. Man means myself or yourself is not doing anything. Some third person is performing the activity. So this third person is told by this verb. So if third person is told by this verb, then verb must be related to the subject. This relation is vivid because the subject is in first case, that is called as nominative case, as Balaha Pathati. If subject is changed, if I put aham at the place, then what will happen? Aham, naturally verb will change, it will become pathami. So as you state pathami, immediately you get to know that the subject is in first person. So this relation itself gives us some special information about this form, that is what? That verb is dependent on subject. So this relation states that this is kartari prayogaha. Everything is dependent on karta. So subject is karta, object is karma, and verb is kriya padam. So as verb goes, it depends on subject, and object is in accusative case. As we know, for the object, Balaha Pustakam Pathati. Every time the object which takes every effect of activity, that object is in accusative, means second case, Dvitiya Vibhakti. So the structure of the sentence is first case, second case, and subject is related to verb. That's why we can give number 1 to verb. So to remember this form, we can say 1 to 1. This is what? This is active voice. So this active voice is very common in all the languages. In Sanskrit dominantly, we are using active voice in the beginning. As we have seen, subject is in first person, immediately verb goes to first person. And when subject is in third person, verb is in third person. Just like that, number will also matter. If subject is in plural, immediately verb is going to be in plural form. How? Balaha Pathanti. And Patham will remain as it is, because all the students may read one lesson at a time. Balaha Patham Pathanti. So it is true about person also, it is true about number also. So paying attention to these persons and numbers, we can understand that how is the relation of subject and verb. Thank you.